In this video, I will be demonstrating how to create a presentation in Gamma AI using the text paste in prompt. I have already prepared an outline to make this video short and to the point. However, if you would like, I can put together a tutorial on how I created the outline using Notebook LM. It's a simple process and I'm positive anyone can do it. Let's get started. All right, let's start off in the dashboard. You're going to want to click Create New, and in this window, click on Paste in Text, as mentioned before. I have the outline prepared, so I paste it in the window like this. Now you're going to notice the outline displays how many slides are required for this presentation deck slide. Notebook LM created those, but don't worry, once we click Generate, you will not see those words displayed. Make sure you change the dropdown to Traditional. This allows the decks to be generated in the traditional landscape format. Of course, you don't have to choose that option, but this is how I use Gamma AI. Next, click Continue, and you're going to see that you can choose number of cards you may want to use. Cards are what Gamma refers to as slides. Depending on your subscription level, you are only limited to a specific number of cards. In my case, it's 10, but we only need 8 for this presentation demo. On the left navigation, there are more options for text content. I always choose condense and then medium for max text per card. Again, I make sure to choose presentation for format, which is the traditional setting. Do a quick look over of the outline and make sure all bullet points and mentions are in their correct placement. It never hurts to double check. Once you create a few of these Gamma presentations, this whole process becomes very quick and easy. Then again, we double check we are using 8 cards for the outline. Everything seems to look good, and now we are ready to click Continue. In the next screen, we choose a theme. There are many to choose from. Right now, I will choose a basic theme for this demo. There is also an option where you can customize your own theme, and that's another tutorial I can put together for you guys if you'd like, as well as uploading your own fonts and custom branding. So let's go ahead, choose this green theme, and then we'll click Generate. We'll let that render, and as you can see, it doesn't take long at all for the presentation to generate. I have tested this with up to 20 cards or slides, and the generation is very quick and responsive. The power of this AI tool never ceases to amaze me. It's such a game changer when it comes to workflow and productivity. Once it stops rendering, we can now do a quick look over and check out our final product. There is so much more to this tool. For example, if you want to add graphs or videos within a slide, you can do so on the right navigation. There are so many options. You can also regenerate individual cards if you don't like the output or image it generates. I wish I could over these each individually, but I try to make these demos short to not waste your time. Well, here's the final product. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you would like me to go more in depth with the features of Gamma. I really think it's a great tool, and I enjoy creating unique and beautiful presentations from this tool. See you all on the next one.